Hey, Coaster 101 fans, and Merry Christmas. I'm Nick, and yes, you heard that right because today is July 25th, 2023, which means it is Christmas in July. And today we received a mysterious present from one of our favorite theme parks. It's Holiday World and Splash and Safari in Santa Claus, Indiana. I'm super excited to see what is inside of this. Let's open it up. All right, do you have any last guesses about what could be inside of here? It's about the size of a shoebox. Let's say maybe 1 to 2 pounds. It's like custom printed. It's got these birds and flowers all over it. Very interesting here. If I shake it, I can feel something in there. Oh, did you hear that? I heard like a dinging sound. You hear that? Well, without further ado, let's open this thing up. Now, if you've been following Holiday World on social media or listening to their podcast, you know that they have confirmed they are getting a new roller coaster next year. So I'm thinking and hoping this is some kind of clue as to maybe the theme or some of the elements on the coaster. But let's see. All right, here we go. Moment of the truth. Drum roll. Let's see here. Some kind of bake kit here. We got a turkey and gravy mix. Interesting. For the graviest announcement ever made, tune into social media channels at 8 a.m. Central Time on August 1st. Great Aunt Carol is bringing the cranberry sauce. Interesting. So we got a little whisk here. And this was what was making the dinging. So it's Holiday World on it. If there's anything else in here. No other clues. All right. Turkey gravy mix. So, what do you make of this? Is the new roller coaster going to be themed to gravy somehow? Spill the gravy. Gravy boat. GoodGravyCompany.com. Here's everything that was in the box from Holiday World. I'm not quite sure what to make of this, so let us know in the comments what do you think any of this means. We're definitely looking forward to learning more about what Holiday World has been cooking up on August 1st, 2023.